Hi everyone, Gail here, the founder and CEO of Retail Resilient, and welcome to step 2 of the beginner's guide for social selling on TikTok. Step 2 is the equipment that you're going to need to create your videos. And there are really 3 pieces of equipment that I use, my team uses, the dealerships we work with use. And so here's the 3 items. The first one obviously is your phone. Okay, so you're gonna need your phone because you have to download the TikTok app. The other 2 pieces of equipment we purchased on Amazon, and they're actually quite inexpensive. So don't think you need to invest thousands and thousands or even hundreds of dollars on this. So the second piece of equipment is a selfie stick. I purchased my selfie stick for $20, and honestly, I was kind of against selfie sticks for a little while, but it does the job and it does it well. So a selfie stick, basically, I hold it, and as I'm walking, it allows me to move, it allows me to rotate, and I can actually walk the lot. So if I'm showcasing inventory or I'm walking through the dealership, it really provides a cool, crispy, clean picture of what I'm trying to use for my video. And then the third piece of equipment, if you don't want to be walking and you just want still shots, we purchased a stand. I'm pretty sure it was about $60 or $65. You can find some cheaper and some a little more expensive. And so it's a stand, it's a tripod stand, as you can see, with a phone that we just stick in there, and it helps us create still videos and still photos of the inventory or of the people that we're looking to showcase at the dealership. So just as a regroup, there's 3 items we use: a phone, we use a selfie stick, and we use our tripod stand, and they all work amazing and they will all get the job done for you. All right, check out the next video.